What's the go-to-market plan in the product lifecycle? So this is one of the 9 phases in the product lifecycle that you as a product manager want to highlight on your resume. And this could involve when you're after building a product, you're announcing that this product is built, it's ready, it's available for people to use. So it could be writing about like just like literally holding a placard, but more in digital formats, or like using a microphone to announce to people, which could be in emails or webinars, any way to share your word with your users and prospects. Uh, One example of this is a press release. Here's an example from Adobe. Adobe introduces Creative Cloud Express. Essentially, they are announcing the availability of something with their target audience. It can also be when you're figuring out the pricing. That's I also consider it part of the go-to-market plan, although it can also be an ideate and solution aspect, where you're figuring out what price do we charge it at right now, and because it may change over time, right? So it's part of the go-to-market. So what price do we charge, but also what kind of coupons do we want to give? What kind of discounts do we want to give? Any early adopter incentives that we want to provide? So everything around that. You can be sharing in a community such as Product Hunt to talk about this is a product we have launched, folks come and try it out. Or I'm sure there are more niche communities that you can share with to get like a direct connection between the problem that your product solves and the interest of that community. It could also be a wait list. That's another way you are able to build interest in your product or get access to the product and gradually figure out things. Apart from pricing or promotion, there are a bunch of these places. Like we talked about community, which is a place. So this product, price, promotion. So product was already taken out of the picture because you have tackled it in ideate on solution and planning and execution. You've now figured out price. You figured out promotion. Promotion is in like two aspects. One is any kind of discounts on price, but more importantly, where do you share about this? Place is again the where. Where do you share about this? Promotion would also be the what do you share about. People is and in fact in this bullet, I touch upon two things for people. One is your work, your collaboration with sales, marketing, customer success, support, maybe the growth team, any team with whom you work with to make your launch a success. The other kind of people is your customers. Where are they? What is their needs? What are they here looking for, which will entice them to come to your product page? Packaging, again, like somewhat connected with price, but also different. Are you combining this with an existing product of yours? Is this a new product? Is this in a new pricing tier of an existing product? A lot of different ways to package stuff at the start. And lastly, process. So this again goes back to support or customer success or sales. If you're requesting their help to sell a new product or support questions on a new product, what's the escalation process like? Where are the FAQs for them to use? Where is the pitch deck for them to use? Everything around that. And lastly, here are some keywords which you can use to highlight these strengths, these skills on your resume.